are going to be the winners?
Right, so we've gotten this report out from Options Group, a recruiting firm that does this annually, trying to predict it. And this was a year to be a healthcare banker. We've seen a ton of big pharma deals.
Sounds so obvious.
Yeah,
right?
they predict them to be up 20%, from last year, and
a 20% rise in their bonus
in their total compensation.
In their total compensation,
yeah.
okay.
And, so, I mean, a lot of this follows the business trends that we're seeing. I mean, high yield has had a tough year. Distressed debt has had a tough year. Those people are going to likely be down. And it's, it's kind of...
And are they going to be down 20%? I mean, how far down are they going to be?
Yeah, I mean, some you could see, some groups, depending on how they did, could be down as much as 20-25%.
Wow.
These are big swings at the MD level.
So, Michael, outside of of healthcare M&A bankers, I mean, who else is likely to get, to get a nice fat paycheck?
So you're going to see equity derivatives traders up. That's had a pretty good year, and there's always a fight for talent in that area. And even though fixed income broadly has been down, you saw some activity in rates because of central banks, because of the speculation, will they, won't they. So rates options traders will probably be up. That's an area that's been fairly strong. So it's a little bit across the board, but the investment banking has been, particularly M&A, has been a standout.
Has been a standout. Okay, what about equity trading versus fixed income trade, right?
Yeah, equity traders on average are projected to be up for the third straight year, whereas fixed income's down for the third straight year. Fixed income historically, the traders there had been paid more, so this is kind of closing the gap over the last few years, and you've seen that on revenue too, and you've seen it really with management. You're seeing some of the equity management take over whole trading divisions. You're seeing that at Morgan Stanley, at Deutsche Bank. As they restructure, they're putting equity guys in charge.
Michael, I thought an interesting part of the survey was also, a third of the junior bankers would trade their 20% pay if they had better work-life balance?
Yes, there's a hypothetical in this survey, what would you trade a 20% bump in pay for? Some of the junior people would take that work-life balance. We've seen that in some of the other stories coming out.
How about not working till 4 in the morning and sleeping under your desk?
Right, we saw it higher among the investment bankers, but the older generation just said, give me the money. I don't need a better balance.
They pay their dues.
Right, I've been through it, yeah.
They're like, just give me the money and let me go.